You good at your job, Mr. O'Neill?
I'm a 10-time champ. You tell me.
How many of those belts were in professional boxing?
2.
And since then, you fought exclusively for Bruiser Fighting Championship, correct?
Yeah. Bigger and better things.
Was it because you were permanently banned from boxing in 1992? Accused of taking a dive, if I'm not mistaken?
If you say so.
Well, to be fair, I'm not saying that. That's every sanctioning body in pro boxing. The WBC, the IBF, the WBA.
Your point is?
Well, Mr. O'Neill, I just find it interesting that you claim success because of your skill in the ring. But who's to say, given your history of cheating, that any of your fights were on the level? I mean, doesn't it call into question your entire career?
No. I wouldn't say that.
Well, of course you wouldn't say that. You've got a legacy to protect. But to the rest of us, your willingness to lie, to betray the sport that supposedly you care so much about.
I have given my life to this business.
Oh, but who's to say any of your fights were real? All your knockouts, your wins, how do we know that those guys weren't taking dives for you?
You wouldn't last 10 seconds with the men I face.
Oh, please. We all know you don't fight real men.
Is that so?
Objection! Badgering!
No, you're out hurting teenage boys.
Sustained. Mr. Carisi, shut your mouth!
Is that what you tell the children you molest?
Enough!
Do you have any pertinent questions left, Mr. Carisi?
No, Your Honor. I have nothing further.